So finally it started to warm up. It's May and we're looking forward to starting to get some proper inspections in. We've had a busy time since we reunited. We united a weak colony after my queen died in the hive that's nearest us. But since then the drones have gathered in the hives and I've made a split. So the next inspection we have on the hive that's nearest us here with the green Abelo brood box, we'll hopefully find out if they have made queen cells, and it takes 8 days for them to seal, so they should be sealed if they have made them, and if not we'll have to make another plan to see how that goes. The middle hive that's not been split, the wooden box, is absolutely buzzing today. It's really going for it. It's really strong, but there are bees coming out and foraging from the other two hives, so I think there's a possibility that things are going to work out okay, but you just never know.